Welcome. In front of me I have a Galaxy Buds Live and Android smartphone, and I'm going to show you how you can check all of these gestures that you can make on this earbuds. So at the first we have to go for the Galaxy Wearable application, open the charging case to let them connect, and here we have to go for the touch controls. Okay, I don't want to update, I'm going to do this later. So at the first we are able to activate the block touches, so when we accidentally touch the earbud it is not going to make any action, and when we go for the left you are able to activate the noise cancelling, but we can also switch it for the voice command or the volume down. It's very useful. And on the right we can go for the volume up, for example. So right now we can just tapping the left but to volume down and the right to volume up, and I think it's a really good feature. Of course we can set up the voice command on above them and the active noise cancelling, and here we get the preview how you can switch to the next track. You have to double tap. You can also answer on the end call with the double tap. When you triple tap you are going to play the previous track, and the last one there's the touch and a hold. So there are our customized gestures that we are actually set up. So, and of course the simple one tap to play or the pause track. And that's how we can check the gestures in your Buds Live and how you can customize them. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.